Hello there and welcome to the 21st episode of the Daily Shed. In this episode I'm going to talk about major 7th chords, and I'm also introducing going up in difficulty as the week progresses. So today's a Tuesday, it'll be a level 2 for players with a little bit of experience as opposed to beginners. So major 7th chords, if you've never encountered a major 7th chord, I'm pretty sure you've encountered a 7th chord. Most people have encountered a 7th chord. Maybe a D7, maybe a G7 chord. The major 7th chord is very, very close to those chords. It's just 1 fret difference. If you consider, again, the D7 chord, like that. It's compared to a regular D. That's a regular D. That's a D7. A regular D, if you just go down, instead of going all the way down on the B string to that note, just go down 1 fret to this note. That there is a D major 7 chord. Again, here's the dominant 7 chord. When you hear D7, that means it's shorthand for a dominant 7th chord. Here's a major 7th chord. I think it's a very beautiful sound. I've always enjoyed major 7th chords a lot. Another common one you'll see, there's a C, there's a C7. This is a C major 7. It's a regular C. You just pick up your index finger. This is used in the song Old Friends by Simon and Garfunkel, which is actually 2 major 7th chords. It's an F major 7. It's like an F chord, but you leave the E string open, to a C major 7. I think they're just very evocative chords and really useful too. You can use the major 7th chord basically anytime, with the exception of blues. Basically anytime you have a song that starts and ends in on a major chord. For most part, you can replace that first chord with a major 7. So say you have a progression like C to A minor to F to G, ending on C. You could replace that first C with a major 7. To me, it's just it's a pretty evocative sound. It's sort of a lovely sound, I think. So again, you can replace that. You can also replace the 4 of the scale, but we won't get to that quite yet. Just know that you can replace it generally the first chord of any song that you play that starts and ends on a major chord, and play the major 7th instead. I'll show you a couple other major 7th chords. Here's a regular A. Here's an A7 that you may know. You'll see that on the G string, when you play regular A, you've got that note there. When you play an A7, you change it down there. A major 7 is in between. So on the 1st fret of the G string, that's an A major 7 chord. So playing from the D major 7 to the A major 7 chord gives you a good feel for how these chords sound. I hope this has been useful. I love these chords, and hopefully this helps when you see them in music to be able to play them. And if you're writing songs or just fooling around, I hope you enjoy these chords. I can sit around and play these all day. All right, thanks as always for watching, and yeah, let me know any questions or comments you may have.